Welcome back, everyone. Today we're showing you the brand new way to update your account information inside the app. If your account becomes inactive or you need to change the credit card on your account, we've made it easy to do right inside the app. Start by clicking on resubscribe and it will generate a code. Once it generates, click on step 1, Open Portal. If you've logged in before and saved your password, this will open a web browser and put you straight into the customer portal. Verify the last 4 numbers match the credit card you want to use. If not, you change it by clicking on the View More, then the blue Gear, then Edit. Enter your new credit card information, then click Save. Next, copy your resubscribe code and minimize the portal window. Paste in the copied 6-digit resubscribe code and press Submit. Here you can choose the monthly or the annual. Keep in mind, if you go annual, it will bill you $17.88 for the year, but it does save almost $600 per year. On the confirmation page, click on Purchase Subscription. Once the confirmation comes up, it tells you when your next billing date is. In this case, it's May 21st, 2026. Click OK. It might take a few moments depending on your connection speed. Once the window goes away, use the vehicle picker to choose a car to verify everything is working properly. If you have any problems, feel free to call us at 1-800-452-7311, option number 3. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.